Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 and replace display module. To disassemble iPhone 8 you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers and opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply the suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. Open the display to the right. Next, using a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, and after that, remove the 2 display cables. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel in the upper case of iPhone. Disconnect the front camera cable from the motherboard. To remove the home button from the display module, you need a tri-wing 0.6mm screwdriver. Unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the home button cable from the display module. This should be done very carefully. Now carefully tear cable of the button from the display module. Press on the button and remove it from the front side of display. Unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Next, unscrew the 2 screws and remove the speaker. Leave the light sensor out of its housing and separate an adhesive holding camera and sensor cable. Remove the front camera and sensor cable. Unscrew 6 screws on the metal panel of display module. Using a hairdryer, heat the metal panel. Using a plastic opening tool, carefully separate the cable from the metal panel. In description of this video I leave links where you can buy new display. Now go to installation new display. Set the metal panel and fasten 6 screws. Install the cable with the front camera to the display case and install the light sensor in the plastic holders. Set the speaker and fasten 2 screws. Install the metal panel and fasten 3 screws. Next, install the home button and connect it to display cable. Install the metal panel and fasten 4 screws. Before final assembly, connect the display and check how everything works. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Also remove the adhesive from the display module. After that, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of the iPhone. Also, I'll leave link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect 2 display cables and front camera cable to the motherboard of iPhone. Install the metal panels and fasten the screws. Then connect the battery cable. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around the perimeter of iPhone. Fasten the 2 screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.